Yan, traffic. Kahit ang motorsiklo, naiisip. Sige, singit lang tayo ng singit dito. Susubukan natin ang galing ni Team Rebel. Bago po ang lahat, gusto ko lang mag-shoutout sa aking mga tagapanood at aking mga fans. Joke lang. Ay, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Monday morning today and traffic is building up. And syempre, papunta po tayo sa opisina as well as the others. So, magpapakakamote po muna tayo na Monday morning. Aray, I just want to welcome you guys back to my diary, the diary of a motorcycle rider, Philippines. Good morning, hello. Magandang umaga po sa inyo. How are you guys doing? How are you guys feeling? It's a Monday morning and the start of the week. Yeah, baby! Nakita nyo naman kanina kung gaano ka-traffic palabas pa lang ng Ortigas. Nakita nyo kung gaano karami ang kotse. Nakita nyo kung gaano karami ang motor. Which is going to be part of my Monday series. Today, oh my god. Katumaan dyan. Sige, gagaya ako sa'yo. Yeah, idol kita, ano? Ayun, meron pong bali-balita ngayon that's been circling around, and I know a lot of you guys have your own opinions, your own thoughts on this matter, no? Ito yung 400cc rule sa Expressway. Little bit of background. Ang 400cc rule ay naitaguyod po way back in the late 1960s to early 1970s. To be exact, 1968. We're not here to talk about history, pero I'm just giving you a brief background. Ano ba ang nangyari? Bakit pa naumpisahan yung 400cc rule na yan? Well, hindi pa ako buhay noon, sadly. So, hindi ko ma-share kung ano ba talaga nangyari. But way back in 1968, meron pong bumisita sa ating Amerikano, si Mr. Rockefeller III. Bumisita po siya sa Pilipinas. He was checking the mill rice farms here in the Philippines. And part of it, no, gumamit po sila ng mga motorcycle na mga escort. And part of their get-up, part of their uniform was to wear Filipino hats, no? Yung farm hats, hindi po helmet. And I don't think 1960s, 1968, 1970s, na-develop na po nila what's the best helmet to withstand crashes, no? High-speed crashes or kahit na minimal crashes lang, no? Kana 60, 80 kilometers per hour. Hindi na po yung 100, 200 kilometers per hour crashes. And way back then, hindi pa uso yung mga gears and all, yung mga jackets, riding pants, riding shoes, gloves. Definitely wala pa po yan, no? So, way back in 1968, may na-aksidente po na isa sa kanilang mga escort, and it resulted to a death of a police officer. Namatay. So, pinagkaroon ng parang pagtatalo. Syempre, hindi pabor sa mga motorsiklo. Natanggal po. Nawala ang mga motorsiklo. Hindi po sila pinayagang makabaybay sa mga expressways. Kahit saan, north, south, or anywhere. Marami pong taong nag-contest. Yeah, maraming nag-contest. Especially mga riding groups before. Syempre, meron na pong mga nabuo niyan, ano? And then, late until 2001, nung may isang grupo composed of thousands of riders na nagsabi na sa Toll Regulatory Board and sa pamunuan ng DPWH, yes, if I'm not mistaken, I'm so sorry, nag-propose po sila na legal yung kanilang ginawa na pagsuspinde sa motorcycles on expressways. But there's certain advantages and disadvantages on allowing smaller displacement bikes. And isa po ako sa 50-50 sa idea na yan, honestly. Ako po yung motorcycle rider na meron akong smaller displacement bike like what I'm using right now. It's a Yamaha Nmax. And I also have a Yamaha R3 which is also way below the allowed displacement sa Expressway. Kaya po ako napabili ng Ducati Scrambler is because it's the only bike that is legal to go to the Expressway. May pag-aaral po dyan kung bakit only 400cc are allowed in the Expressway. To be honest, sa mga wala pong big bike, napakadelikado po talaga ng Expressway. Pero it's much safer than service road. Yes, mas safer dahil walang road hazard, walang asong tumatawid, walang manok na tumatawid, walang stoplight. Hindi ibig sabihin ng walang stoplight wala na po kayong limit sa inyong takbo, di ba? And wala masyadong dumadaang kamote. Medyo enforced po dyan ang speed limit. Sadly enough for those vehicle riding citizens out there, no? Filipino citizens, meron pa rin hindi sumusunod dyan sa overtaking only policy. Hindi lang po motorsiklo ang kamote sa Expressway, pati po ang mga sasakyan dahil overtaking only pero doon na po sila nananatili kahit saan luwag-luwag sa kanan. Marami po akong footage niyan pero I won't be posting them para ihiya ang iba, no? Pero sinasabi ko lang po sa inyo na ang expressways po natin is hindi pa rin perfecto. Pero it's way safer than yung mga service roads nga po. Mas mabilis ang travel mo, and this I personally strongly suggest na i-allow ang lower displacement motorcycle sa expressways. Pero hindi po lahat ng CC dapat pinapayagan. Say for example, you drive a 150cc motorcycle, sobrang gaan lang po niyan. Minamaneho po itong Nmax dito lang within the city. And grabe po yung ulan, grabe yung hangin. Tinatangay po ako kahit papano. Hindi po yung tinatangay na liliparin ka. Wala pong ganun. Wala pong lumilipad na motorsiklo. Wala mang pakpak yan, no? Diyos Mariosep. Exaggerated lang po yung utak ng iba. Masyado silang advanced mag-isip. Pero wala pong lumilipad na motor. Hindi po ako pabor sa up to sagad. Pero it's much more faster to declog traffic inside. Especially yung mga service roads natin. Pero dapat sana po ay naka-complete riding gears. Ano po ang ibig sabihin nito? May helmet, may gloves, may riding jacket, meron pong riding pants, meron pong sapatos, nakasapatos, no? Hindi po pwede yan nakatsinelas, walang gloves, walang jacket, or alam mo yan, yung normal na sweater lang. And I do believe na maging mahigpit po tayo sa pag-allow nitong smaller displacement bikes dahil hindi po siya 100% safe. It's more safer, but it's not 100% safe from alam mo yun, pag nag-crash ka dyan, walang mangyayari sa'yo, no? Siyempre 100 kilometers per hour ang ating speed limit, kahit na anong sisi po kayang abutin yan, pero 100 kilometers per hour crash won't save you from injuries. Siyempre dito sa Metro Manila, sobrang bagal lang. Kita nyo naman yung takbo ngayon, 14 lang. At pag nag-riding jacket ka dito, walang mangyayari pag na-accident ka. Ang importante po, meron kang helmet, no, na suot. At siyempre, sa personal, ano na po yan, no, personal choice kung gusto mo mag-riding jacket, gusto mo mag-riding shoes. Pero ako naka-riding shoes ako every day because it's waterproof. And it will keep me from, alam mo yun, yung mga sumabit-sabit na whatever dyan, mabaliin pa ako, no, or mapilayan ako. But it's my personal choice. And hindi po ako na-riding jacket kasi I'm going to give a shout out to Team Rebel Pilipinas for providing this jacket of mine. Yeah boy, as you can see here. Big shout out to Kuya Jhing who designed this awesomely nice mother effing jacket from Team Rebel Sports Pilipinas. Yeah boy, napakagaling po niyan, napakaganda niyan. And a big shout out also to alimutan ko yung pangalan ng shop for this GRX Motonetics helmet mount or camera mount sa aking helmet. So for all of you guys, hindi na po ako gumagamit ng Telesin camera mount kundi itong GRX Motonetics. Thank you for the shop that sent me 4 pieces of this. So cool. Honestly, for me, kahit na ano pa pong sabihin natin, my thoughts, no, my own opinion, And for me, the best way is to lower it down to just 300cc. Wag na po tayong sumagad pa sa 200, 250cc. Dahil medyo magaan pa rin po ito, no? Wala pa siyang weight. Pero no doubt that it can reach the 100 kilometers per hour. Kahit naman po itong Nmax, kayang abutin ng 100 kilometers per hour na speed limit. Pero I don't suggest this to be allowed on the expressway, inside or in the expressway, dahil magaan, and pagka may dumaan na malaking sasakyan dyan or malaking mabilis na sasakyan dyan, mag-wiggle ka. Hindi po yun ang hindi yun ang issue dito. Ang issue dito is yung hangin, especially when you're riding on a rainy day. Kahit na 40, 50, 50, nagawa mo na lumingon ka. Lunis na lunis, tatanga-tanga ka. We have to think about, alam mo yun, kaya nga po sinabing expressway is para maging mas mabilis ang inyong travel at mas safer, ano? Imagine going home to Bulacan or Valenzuela and you have to pass by service road. Sobrang traffic po dyan. Ang daming trucks, ang daming bus, ang daming jeep, ang daming tricycle, ang daming hazards, ang daming aso, ang daming tao naglalakad. And then, it's going to take you like 2 hours, 1.5 hours, 2 hours para lang po makarating sa iyong paroroonan. When you think about it, pagka nag-expressway kayo, sobrang bilis lang po. Pero, hindi naman po pwedeng 150cc or 100cc ang tumatakbo dyan dahil mahirap na pong abutin yung 100 kph. Minimum 60, kayang-kaya. 80, kayang-kaya. Pero yung 100, sobrang bagal na po. And I think it's unfair for our riding public, no? Especially yung mga buses na mabibilis ang takbo or actually kahit naman ang bus hindi naman po pwedeng lumampas ng 100 kilometers per hour, and ang kotse hanggang 100 kilometers per hour lang po yan. Pero sadly enough, hindi naman po nasusunod yan masyado, and meron pa rin pong mga bumabali niyang batas na yan. Like me, for example, I'm gonna be honest, hindi po ako matapobre, hindi ko po ipagkakaila na sometimes I do get past 100 the speed limit dahil napapasarap po yung ride. Kahit naman yung sasakyan, napapasarap yung ride at sarap ng, alam mo yun, tumatakbo ka ng 100, 110, alam mo yun, ang sarap, no? Ang sarap ng simoy ng hangin, ang lamig. Where are you going? Goodness gracious. Goodness. Bumababa sa gitna ng daan. Let's say 50-50 po ako, no? Pero kung may aalaw po ang lower displacement, I do suggest na to keep it in a limit again. Siguro we can go down to as much as 250cc. Pero yung 200cc po, I strongly disagree. Dahil magaan na po yan, sobra. Ito po nga Nmax 155cc. Siguro we can opt for the weight instead of the cc dahil almost every other motorcycle can reach the minimum or the maximum speed that will be provided by the expressway, and sana doon and yung capability ng makina. Syempre, the more it goes up, the more it's capable, no, of reaching the minimum speed. And honestly, sa Pilipinas lang po merong ganitong batas, or so I thought. Hindi ko po alam yung iba. Correct me if I'm wrong, pero dito po yung isa sa... syempre dito ako nakatira, so this is my concern, right? Pero I don't think it has to go down to almost everyone can go in. Syempre, there has to be a limit. I strongly recommend na naka-ano po tayo, naka-riding gears. Complete riding gears. So, yun lamang po. That's it for today. Malapit po ako sa aking opisina. And those are my thoughts. Medyo, I'm welcome to any bashing. I'm welcome to dislikes. I'm welcome to anything that you throw to me. Siyempre, you're entitled to your own opinion. And I am also entitled to my own opinion as a speaker, as a motovlogger. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my diary, the diary of a motorcycle rider, Philippines. And ride safe no matter where you go. And pray. Yeah. Yun lamang po. Mwah. Bye.